Stake DAO Liquid Lockers give anyone a way to get more out of their lockable tokens, offering higher yield and more flexibility than locking on their native protocol. The beauty of Liquid Lockers is that users can leverage all of these advantages while still retaining the ability to exit at any time, simply by swapping back to the governance token via the factory pool on Curve. sdTokens give you access to all the power of veTOKENs without the sacrifices. You get boosted yield on all token strategies on Stake DAO, plus SDT incentives, voting power, and the option to sell your vote. To further sweeten the deal, Liquid Lockers can offer veSDT holders a boost on their sdTOKEN voting rights, as well as a boost on SDT incentives. While being able to earn boosted yield and retain voting rights is a breakthrough for lockable tokens, some users would rather capitalise on their unused vote as an additional source of yield. That's why Liquid Lockers allow users to sell their unused vote through a bribe mechanism, and even sell their unused boost in exchange for significant increase in yield.